Hello. Wait. So, today I'm going to show you around Niverville because it's a great place. Even though it's a small town, we have a lot to offer. Such as so the first stop on our tour around town is this place, which is more informally known as NCI. It was my high school, middle school time, about, oh gosh, some years of my life. Yeah, I just spent most of my life here, you know, not a big deal or anything. Next place. So this is the busiest street in town, busiest intersection. As you can tell, it's just hustling and bustling. Actually, this is one of the best corners, because we have MCC over there, we have Subway over there, we have Big Way, which is a grocery store over there, the drop-in center. I don't know if you can see there's some stuff going on over there. Not sure what that's about. And here we have the hardware store. So, of all places, this is like the coolest place to hang out because you can just sit on the street corner and look at everybody. I never do that, except now. I should probably stop, this is weird. I don't want to brag. I'm going to anyway. I've been told that this MCC is one of the best MCCs in Manitoba. Right in my hometown, Niverville. Best price, best selection, best quality of items. It's pretty prime if you ask me. The gas station over there sells, they sell gas. Yeah. This was my elementary school when I was young, free, and well, 6, so I don't know, call it free. And so I'd ask your teacher if you could go to the bathroom or not. May I go to the washroom? I don't know. May. Oh. Wait. Yeah. Right. Yeah. You may. You can. Yeah. Also, that's called the U, right behind me there, that's called the U. That was the coolest place to hang out when we were kids. It was only the cool kids who hang out in the U. So I was never there. Chinese place, furniture store. This is another super corner. We have piston ring, pharmacy, bank, post office, and a pizza store. Aqua Pizza. The pizza isn't great. It's greasy on the top, it's crunchy on the bottom. At least last time I had it. Yeah. We've come to the most important part of our town. No, not the Chicken Chef. The Chicken Chef is mediocre at best. No. Off in the distance. And we even, there's a Shell and a Tim Hortons. Shell, it's a gas station, you know. Tim Hortons. For us Canadians, Tim Hortons is where it's at. Oh man, Tim Hortons. That's not very fast. Let me see if I can get faster. Let's see. 24. I reached like 32 or 33 on my bike. That's not bad. It's not bad. Guys, there's a polar bear. Right here. Isn't he cute?